Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Word Chapter 1 Hands-on Exercise Assessment Hammock. Basically, this is the first chapter of Word section of my Yeti Lab course. There are 4 sections in this course: Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and MS Access. So, at start of the assignment instruction, you can see the project description. Basically, this project description has nothing to do with the assignment, but read this so that you can get an idea about the assignment. So there are total 15 steps that we are supposed to solve in this assignment. I will do these steps in this video and you can do your assignment by watching my video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can contact me either through WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, marketing, information technology, computer sciences, mathematics, statistics, all writing assignments and programming assignments. So we will move to step number 1. That is so we are supposed to start Word, download and open the file name Exp19 Word Chapter 1 Hands-on Exercise Assessment Hammock. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So this is the Word file that we are supposed to download, and we will use this Word file to solve this assignment, and we will apply all the instructions to this assignment to get this file ready for the submission. So you can download this from your My IT Lab dashboard or Pearson dashboard. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Word file. There is nothing else to do in step number 1. So we will move to next step, that is step number 2 of the assignment. Displaying non-printing characters can assist with troubleshooting a document later. For example, leaving too many spaces between the words result in a grammatical mistake when the problem is simply the number of spaces. By showing non-printing characters, you can easily see the spaces and correct the mistake. So display the non-printing characters at the end of the document. Insert text from the article documents. Delete the 2 blank paragraphs at the end of the document. So we are supposed to display non-printing characters, and then we will copy the text from the document article that we got along with the assignment, and we will paste in the submission file. Then we are supposed to delete the 2 blank paragraphs at the end of the document. So I will open the article doc first and I will copy this text, and we are supposed to paste it at the end of the document. But before that, we will display the non-printing characters. So paste the text here now. Now we are supposed to delete these 2 blank paragraphs. So that is all about step number 2 of the assignment. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. Insert a hard return after the period ending the first sentence in the second body paragraph on the first page after the word hangout. So this is the word at which the paragraph at which the sentence is ending in the second paragraph on the first page. Delete the blank space that begins the new paragraph to ensure that the paragraph begins at the left margin. So we will go to the first page and go to the second body paragraph, this one, and we will look for the word hangout. So you can see that this is the word hangout, and we are supposed to insert a hard return before this, after this word. So press enter. And you can see that new paragraph is created when we press enter, that is hard written. And now we are supposed to remove this space before the newly created paragraph. So remove this so that this paragraph begins at the left margin. So that is all about step number 3. So we are done with step number 2 and 3. And now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. At the end of the document, press enter, type contributed by, include the colon and press enter, type J events. So now we are supposed to type the contributed by and J events at the end of the document. So we will go to the end of the document. This is the end of the document ending at the word club, and we are supposed to press enter. And now we will type contributed by. And again we are supposed to press enter and we will type J events. That is the author name for this document. So we have added these two paragraphs to the document at the end. So that is all required in step number 4 of this assignment. So we have solved 4 steps and now we will move to next step, that is step number 5. Check spelling, correcting any errors. Be sure to correct grammatical error as well. So now in step number 5, we are supposed to check grammatical and spelling errors and then we will remove the errors. So we can simply do this by using the inbuilt tool of the Word, that is spelling and grammatical checker. So for this we will move to the document first. And we will click on the review tab and click on the spelling and grammars. So we will start correcting these errors. And now you can see that there is no spelling error and there is no grammatical error in the document because I have removed the error for the spelling and the grammars, and that is all required in step number 5 of this assignment. So step number 5 is completed, and now we're going to do next step, that is step number 6. Using the thesaurus, identify a synonym for the word slickers in the 4th body paragraph on the first page. So we will go to the 4th body paragraph on the first page and then we will look for the word slakers. And we are supposed to replace this word slaker with a synonym that is beginning with the letter I. So 4th body paragraph on the first page. So first paragraph, second, third and fourth. So this is the 4th body paragraph and we are supposed to replace the word slaker. We are supposed to replace the word slaker with the word synonym starting from letter I. So this is the slacker. We will simply select this one and again go to the review tab. So after going to the review tab, you can see this thesaurus. And now we are supposed to replace this word with a synonym starting with letter I. So you can see that this is starting from letter I. So click this arrow and click insert. And you can see that the word slacker has been replaced with the word idlers. So that is all required in step number 6 of the assignment, where we are supposed to replace the word slakers. So now we have completed 6 steps And now we're gonna move to next step, that is step number 7. So in step number 7, it is saying that insert an unformatted footer, typing TSU Hammock Club at the left side of the footer. Close the footer. So now we are supposed to add a footer to the document. And the text for the footer is given, that is TSU Hammock Club. So at the left side of the footer. So this footer should be at left side. So this is the document, and now we will go to the insert tab, and header and footer, go to the footer because we are supposed to add a footer, and we will click on added footer. So now we will type the text for the footer, that is TSU Hammock Club. So that is the text that we are supposed to add in the footer. So I have written the text, and now I will simply close this header, and you can see that footer has been added to the document. So our 7 steps of the assignment are completed now. I am doing these steps and explaining for you so that you can learn the word and you can do this assignment by watching this video. I am going very slowly so that you can understand the steps clearly. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 8. So in step number 8, it is saying that at the end of the second paragraph on the second page, ending in seems to be catching on, press spacebar and type the club now boasts 72 members. So this is the text that we are supposed to add in the second paragraph on the second page after this. So we will go to the second page first, and this is the second paragraph. So after this we are supposed to press the spacebar one time, and then we are supposed to write this text, that is the club now boasts 72 members. So I will simply type the club now boasts 72 members and a period at the end. So that is all required in step number 8 to add this text after this paragraph on the second page. So step number 8 is completed. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 9. Adjust the left and right margins to 1.5 and change the orientation to portrait. So first we are supposed to go to the page setup, and we are supposed to change the left and right margins for the document, and then we are supposed to change the orientation of the document to portrait. So we will simply go to the page layout, and this is the margin, and click this arrow. Now go to the custom margins from here, and we are supposed to make left and right to 1.5. So I will simply increase the left margins to 1.5 and the right margins to 1.5. So after selecting 1.5 in the left and right margins, just click OK. And now we are supposed to change the orientation to portrait. So for this, simply go to the page setup and orientation and click portrait. So portrait orientation has been applied to the whole document, and that is all required in step 9. So we have completed 9 steps so far, and now we're going to do step number 10. So in step number 10, it is saying that insert a watermark, selecting drop one from the gallery of the watermarks. Modify the watermark to change the color to blue. So first we are supposed to insert a watermark that prevents from the copyright issues, And then for this watermark, we are supposed to use the draft one from the watermark gallery. And then we will customize the watermark to change the color of the watermark to blue. That is required in this step. So we will simply go to the design tab. So this is the design tab, and page background we will go to the watermarks, and we are supposed to select the draft one. You can see draft one, draft two, sample one, sample two, and we are supposed to select this draft one. So watermark has been inserted, but we are supposed to customize it to change the color of this watermark. So we will again go to the watermark and we will click on the custom watermark. So from this we are supposed to make the color of the watermark to blue. So we will simply select the blue color to change the watermark color to the blue. So click blue and click apply. So you can see that I have changed the watermark color to the blue. So that is all required in step 10 of the assignment. So now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 11. Although some symbols display on the keyboard may do not. A symbol can add interest to an informal document, improve readability, and acknowledge a source or product. Select the comma and space following the word club in the second sentence of the first paragraph on the first page. So we are supposed to select the comma and space that is given in the second sentence in the first paragraph on the first page. And we are supposed to replace those items with an EM- symbol. And at the end, insert a registered symbol after the acronym in the second body paragraph on the first page. So first we will move to the first paragraph on the first page and we will look for the space and comma. So this is the first paragraph on the first page, and you can see there is comma and space after the word club, and we are supposed to replace these items with a EM- symbol. So click on the insert tab and go to the symbols and click on the more symbols. So now we are supposed to select EM-. So in special characters, you can see the EM-. So simply click insert and close it. And you can see that the comma and space has been replaced with EM-. And now we are supposed to insert a registered symbol after the word ENO in the second paragraph. So this is the ENO word. Click after this character O and again go to the symbols and click on the more symbols and again click on the special characters, and you can see the registered symbol here. So we are supposed to use this. I will simply click insert and close it, and you can see a registered symbol after the word ENO, this one. So that is all required in step number 11 of the assignment. So I have completed 11 steps so far, and now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 12. So basically I have completed 11 complete steps, but for these remaining 3 steps I will just give you an overview so that you can complete those steps on your own. Let me give you an overview for the remaining steps now. So in step number 12 it is saying that insert a page break at the top of the document. At the top of the new page, insert the text from the release doc. Ensure that the footer does not display on the first page of. So this is the release document that we got along with the assignment, and we are supposed to copy this text and we are supposed to insert at the beginning of the document. So I have already copied and I have already pasted this one, and you can see that I have pasted the text from the release doc here. So that is all required in step number 12, and you can see that there is no footer on page 1, but it is footer starting from page 2. This is also required in step number 12. So So next step is about the properties. We are supposed to add J01 as the author, then TSU Hammock as the comment, and press release in the custom property value box. So let me show you these. We will simply go to the file, info, properties, and advanced properties. So you can see that I have added the Jade Evans as the author that is required in step number 13, and you can see that the comment that required TSU Hammock Club. So I have already added those, and in the custom properties we have a custom value that is the press release. So that is all required in this step. So I have shown you this complete assignment in this video. But if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignment, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignment, you can make a deal for your complete course. Just text me on WhatsApp, email that is showing at the bottom of the screen, and you can make a deal for your complete course. You can hire me for your other courses as well, like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments, programming assignments, mathematics, statistics, finance, etc. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. I request you to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comments to my videos. And if you have any question, you can reach me either through WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much again.